What's up, guys? Third video. Valve cover off. Cam cap's loose. Don't worry, the timing chain's not going to slip. It'll be fine. Just don't loosen them up too much. What I did is loosen it a bit more in the back than the front, you know, just so it could tilt a little bit. There's the rocker. Hold this camera somehow. Show you this. It's not really working too good. Let's see. Hopefully you can see that. Anyway. See that? See how much that bearing moves? Completely shot. Needle bearings are gone inside. Anyway, putting the new one on. Put another video up soon. See ya.